Hello my dear students, good morning to all. In previous class we have studied let us practice 5.1 5 example, isn't it? We have completed 5 example. Now today we will look at one example left from there 6. What it is given? Write the given number in proper places. Here this diagram are given and these numbers were written 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 18, 24, 36. Now here two vowels were given. These are the figure of vowels and both vowels cut each other here. They are intersecting here. So in this vowel what we have tried in these boxes factors of 24 given. And here what we have tried factors of 36 here. And here this intersecting box, this one, here what we have tried factors of both 24 and 36. Both means that means here the meaning of this one factor of both 24 and 36 means common factor. What we have tried here common factor of 24 and 36. So at first we have to find the factors of what? 24. First this one we will fill, after that this one, and after that we will take common. First what we are going to find here factors of 24. Second things we will find the factors of 36. After that from 24 and 36 we will take here common factors of 24 and 36. Okay. So factors of 24 are from 1 table to 24 table we have to go. In one table we are getting 24. 24 ones are 24. Okay. 1 is the factor of every number, that is the property. Now in 2's table 24 getting divide, check that, divide this 24 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 0, bring this 4 down, 2 2's are 4. Okay, at any case we want remainder 0, mean in 2's table we are getting 24, 24 is completely divisible by 2. In the same way 12's table also we are getting 24, 12 2's are 24. So 1, 2, 3's table getting, looked at 3 8's are 24. 3 8's are 24. Okay, 3's table also getting 4. 4 6's are 24. Say we have to look the table up. From 1 to 24 we have to go. 4's table also we are getting 24. 4 6's are 24. Okay, 4. 5's table getting 24. In 5's table we are not getting 24. 25 getting. So we can't write here 5. 6 4's are 24. Okay, 6 also the factor of 24. Now 7 table not getting 8. 8 1's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 8 3's are. Yes, 8 3's are 24. 8. 9's table we are not getting 24. 10 table also not. 11 also not. 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 2's are 24. 12. Here got 12. 13 not possible. 14 also not. In 14 table we are not getting 24. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not. 21, 22, 23, 24. Lastly we are getting 24 ones are 24. So these are the factors of which number? 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors of 24. In the same way we have to find the factors of which number? 36. 36. Factors of 36 are start from 1 only. 1, 36. Divide 36 by 2. Whether we are getting remainder 0 or not we will check. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1. Bring this 6 down. 2 8's are 16. We got remainder 0. That means 2 is the factor of 36. We can write here 2. 3's table. Divide this 36 by 3. 36 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay. 3 minus 3 0. Bring this 6 down. 3 2's are 6. Now 6 minus 6 also 0. 3 and 12 also. Okay. 3. 18 also we are getting. Okay. 4's table 4 9's are 36. 4 के टेबल में आता है 36 तो लिख सकते. 5's table we are not getting 36. Don't write. 6 table 6 6 are 36. So we can write here 6 also. 7 not possible. 8 also not getting. 9 4's are 36. 9 getting. Okay. So we have to write 9. 10 11 12 12 3's are 36. 12 3's are 36. 12 10 and 11 not getting. Okay. 12 3's are 36. 13 14 15 16 17 18. 18 2's are 36. 18 we have to write 18. 19 20 21 not possible. 22 23 24 30, 24 25 26. Directly we are up to 30 not. 31 32. Direct we are getting here 36 lastly. So these are the factors of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 are the factors of which number? 36. Now from this, now what we have to find here? Here this over factors of 24 we have find it. In the same way we have find it factors of 36. Now what is given? Factors of both 24 and 36. The meaning of this one we have to find the common factors. Common means same. Common factors of 24 and 36 are which we are getting underlined here 1 present, here also 1. So underline 1, here 2, here also. These are the common. 2 become common. here 3, here also 3. So if in both numbers the same numbers are there, then only we have to underline. Here 4, here also 4. So underline 4 and 4. Here 6, here also 6. These are common factor. Now 8 present here, not. 8 present, 8 is the factor of 24, but 8 is not the factor of 36. So 8 not present. 12, 12. 12 also common. Okay. Now 24 not present here. So those numbers which we have underlined, that are the common factors of 24 and 36. So we can write here factors of common factors of 24 and 36 are which we are getting 1, comma 2, comma again what 3, comma after 3 which number 4, after 4 6, and lastly what we are getting 12 also. So these are the common factors of what 24 and 36. But now here 1 not given. Here in this option 1 given, not given. So 2 is given. Okay, 3, 4, 6 and 12. This common factor we have to write here. Which 2, comma 3, comma 4. Why I have not written here 1? Here 1 is also the common, but in this option not given 1. That's why I left that 1. So 2 is given 3, 4, 6 and what 12. These are the common factors of both 24 and 36. Now leave this common factor and which number left? We have not underlined here 8 and here 24. In this box factors of 24 we have to write which number 8 and 24. 8, comma 24. Why we have not written this one? Because these are the common. Common वाले यहाँ पे आ गए बीच में. अब वो छोड़ के common वाले अभी कौन से नंबर बाकी है इसमें 8 और 24. तो 8 और 24 यानी ये भी है. इसका मतलब यही नहीं हुआ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 सिर्फ 8 और 24 नहीं है. 1 भी है, 2 भी है, 3 भी है, 4, 6, 12, 8 एंड 24. इसका मतलब ऐसा. तो सिर्फ यहाँ पर लिखना है हमें. यहाँ पर ये इंटरसेक्टिंग बॉक्स में लिखना है कॉमन फैक्टर और वो छोड़ के जो अंडरलाइन नहीं किया वो यहाँ लिखना है. In the same way, factor of 36. Which number we have underlined here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Leave that. Now what left? 9, 18 and 36. 9, 18 and 36. And what? 36. अब देखो 8 भी दिया है यहाँ पर, 24 भी दिया है, ठीक है. 9 also given, 9 not given here. So we can leave that 9 because 9 यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में नहीं है तो आप छोड़ सकते हैं उसको 9 को. 18 is there, in the same way 36 is there. So understood? If you want to write, you can write the 9, but in this option is not given that. That's why I have not written that 9. But 18 and 36 is there. So these are the factors of what? This is the factor of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 8, 24. These are the factor of 24. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 18, 36. These are the factors of 36. And this is common factor 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the common factors of both 24 and 36. So understood? So note down this one. So note down this. Writing this much after completing this one. After that you have to write this one also below that. Okay. This make this oval shape and write their answer. So this is final answer. Okay. Understood? Study more about numbers. More about numbers. First of all, natural number. Already you have studied in nursery only natural number means what? This 1, 2, 3. You have studied now 1, 2, 3, 4 like many numbers. Counting number. These are called what? Which number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Many numbers are there. Counting numbers are called natural number. What are natural number? Counting numbers are called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no end. There is no end. It can go on and onwards are natural number. Natural number can go on endlessly. Here there is no end, so it can go endlessly. We can't say that this is the largest natural number. Okay. Here it can go continuously. Understood? Endlessly we can say. Otherwise endlessly. Now which is the smallest natural number? 1 is the smallest natural number. Understood? We can say smallest, but not possible to say the largest natural number. Natural number can go on endlessly. 1 is the smallest natural number. Now there is no largest natural number as we can go on counting endlessly. it is not possible to say the largest natural number. So this is about, just you have to keep in definition in mind. What do you mean by natural number? Counting numbers are called natural number, and 1 is the smallest natural number. Now in the same way, after natural number, what we have to study? Before 1, which number will be there? This is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now before 1, 0 will be there. If I am including here 0, now it becomes, this is not natural number, but these are called 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers are called whole number. Just we have to include just before 1, we have to include that 0. Natural number. These are the natural number. Natural number along with 0. Natural number, whole number definition. Natural number along with 0 are called whole number. If not present 0, then we can say this is only natural number. But if I including here 0 now these are natural number. Natural number along with 0. Understood? Natural number along with 0 are called whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash dash. Many numbers are there. And onwards are whole numbers. Now which is the smallest whole number? Smallest whole number means what? 0. 0 is the smallest whole number. Understood the difference in between natural number and whole number? Counting numbers are called natural number, and whole number means natural number along with 0 are called whole number. Smallest whole number is 0, and there is not possible to say which is the largest whole number. We can't say that, because it can go here also in a whole number continuously. Now after that, prime number. Prime number means, for example, 2. We are going to find the factors of 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2, isn't it? Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Only how many factors we are getting on here? 2. The numbers, a natural numbers, that number means natural number only. A natural number that has exactly 2 factors. 1, 2. In the same way, we can take any number. 7. If we are finding factors of 7, what are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. 7's the natural number 7, we have finded the factors of natural number 7. We are getting 1 and 7. That means 2. A natural number that has exactly 2 factors. How many factors? 2 factors. Itself and 1. 1 and itself. 1 getting and itself you only getting. A natural number that has exactly 2 factors, itself and 1, is called a prime number, or otherwise a number which has exactly 2 factors are called what? Prime number. Understood? So we have studied natural number, whole number, prime number. Again one is there, that is called composite number, that we will study. So understood? Natural number means what, and whole number means what, and prime number. Prime number, you have to keep in mind, a number which has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself, are called prime number. So note down this one. In this example, first what it is given, find out all the factors of 7. All the factors of 7 mean all the factors of 7. Factors of 7 are which, यानी 1 के टेबल से लेके 7 के टेबल तक हमें जाना है. तो 7 किसके टेबल में आता है? 1. 1 into 7 7, ठीक है. 2 के टेबल में 7 नहीं आता तो नहीं लिखने का. जिस टेबल में आता है वही नंबर लिखने का. यहाँ पर 2 के टेबल में 7 नहीं है, 3 के टेबल में भी नहीं आता, 4 भी नहीं, 5 भी नहीं, 6 भी नहीं, 7 के टेबल में 7 1 जा 7, यानी 1 और 7 है. यानी यहाँ कितने फैक्टर हो गए 7 के? 2. ये 2 ही फैक्टर हुए, इसलिए 7 क्या बन गया नंबर? कौन सा नंबर हो गया? प्राइम नंबर. प्राइम नंबर की डेफिनेशन क्या है? ए नंबर विच हैज एक्जैक्टली 2 फैक्टर्स आर कॉल्ड प्राइम नंबर. सिंस 7 हैज 2 फैक्टर 1 and 7, therefore 7 is a prime number. If you want to write that sentence, we can write that one. 7 has only 2 factors. 7 has only 2 factors. 2 factors, 1 and 7. Therefore 7 is a prime number. Therefore 7 is a what? Prime number. Understood? 2 से ज्यादा अगर फैक्टर मिलते हैं तो फिर उसको कहते हैं कंपोजिट नंबर. कंपोजिट नंबर वो पढ़ना है आगे. First understood this one. Find out all the factors of 7. So all the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Okay. Since this, no need to write this sentence, but it is given in textbook also. So I have written 7 has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. Therefore 7 is a prime number. Now example number 2, look at check if. Check करना है हमें. If 2, 3, 5 and 7, 4 numbers. Different numbers are given, natural number. are prime number, are prime. Okay, first we will check. I have given here A, I took here A, B, C and D. Okay, first number is 2. Factors of 2, we have to find the factor. For checking whether this number are prime or not, we have to find the factor. You have to keep that thing in mind. Factors of 2, which table we are getting? In 1's table we are getting 2 and 2's table also getting 2 over 1 and number itself. Since 2 has 2 factor, since 2 has 2 factors, therefore 2 is a, what we have to write, is a prime number. 2 is a which number? Prime number. Understood? Like that only we have to write in the same way. B. Now next B. Which number given? 3. Factors of 3. Factors of 3 are which table getting? 1 and in 2's table we are not getting 3. 1 and 3. Same thing. Since 3 has 2 factors. Understood? 2 factors. Therefore 3 is a which number? Prime number. 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. Now we will write here C and D. Again to let know. Here I am taking here C. C means which number? Our 5. Factors of 5 are. Look that which table getting 5. 1 in 2's table we are not getting 5. 3 also not. 4 also not. 5. 1 and 5. How many factor? 2. 2 factors we got. Factors of 5. So that's why 5 is a prime number. Since 5 has 2 factors, therefore 5 is a prime number. Which number? 5. Prime number. Already we have studied this. Now D17. Just before this, first example we have find it. No, same thing. Factors of 7 are. What are the factors of 7? Factors of 7 are which table we are getting? 1. Okay, 1 is 1. Every factors we are getting that 1 while finding the factors of every number, because if we are multiplying by if we are dividing that number by 1, we get remainder 0. That's why 1 is the factor of every number. This is the property also. So that's why everywhere we are getting 1. Here also, here also, here also, here also. And after 2's table we are not getting 7, isn't it? In 2 के टेबल में 7 नहीं आता है, 3 के टेबल में भी नहीं, 4 also not, 5 also not, 6 also not. Directly we are getting what? Which table? 7 ones are 7. So factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Since 7 has 2, 7 has how many factor? 2 factors. Therefore 7 is a which number? 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. Understood this one? So in this way we have to check that. Means in short means 2, 3 and 2, 3, 5 and 7. All these 4 numbers are prime number. So otherwise we can find in this way factors and we can check that whether the numbers are prime number or not. If we are getting only 2 factors, then that number is a prime number. So note down this one. Now we have to study what? Composite number. Like prime number, only definition same to same definition. Just one thing is there. Composite number, a number which has more than 2 factors are called. A natural number having more than 2 factors are called composite number. A natural number having more than how many factor? 2 factors. यानी 2 से ज्यादा अगर फैक्टर निकलते हैं तो वो नंबर बनेगा फिर कंपोजिट नंबर. इस कार्ड है कंपोजिट नंबर. कोई भी एक नेचुरल नंबर देके रहेगा, होल नंबर नहीं. होल नंबर बोलने 0 भी आता है उसमें, 0 को छोड़कर कोई भी एक नंबर. ए नेचुरल नंबर हैविंग मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स इज कॉल्ड ए कंपोजिट नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर गिवन चेक इफ 12 एंड 16 इज ए कंपोजिट नंबर. क्या 12 कंपोजिट नंबर है क्या? उसी ढंग से क्या 16 भी कंपोजिट नंबर है क्या? हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा. तो क्या करना है? फैक्टर फाइंड कर रहे हैं. नेचुरल नंबर हैविंग मोर देन 2 फैक्टर. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड? फैक्टर्स. सो एट फर्स्ट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 12. विच नंबर गिवन हियर? 12 आर. 12 के फैक्टर फाइंड करो अभी. यानी इसका मतलब क्या है? फैक्टर फाइंड 1 के टेबल मल्टीप्लीकेशन टेबल 1 से लेकर 12 तक चेक करना है कौन कौन से टेबल में आता है। ऐसे नहीं जरूर नहीं कि पूरे के पूरे टेबल में आएंगे। अभी 1 इंटू 12 1 के टेबल में आता है 12, 2 के टेबल में लुक दैट इट कैन वी गेट दिस 12 इन 2 टेबल 2 6 are 12 yes we are getting 2 3 table getting yes 3 4 are 12 4 table 4 3 are 12 4 also getting 5 table we are not getting 12 so don't write there 5 now 6 2 are 12 so we can write here 6 7 not 7 table we are not getting 12 8 also not 9 also not 10 also not 11 also not directly we are getting 12 so how many factors we got here total 1 2 3 4 5 6 since 12 has 6 factors more than 2 factors that means short since 12 has more than 2 factors so that's why this 12 is called which number composite number since that sentence we have to write since 12 has more than what 2 factor more than 2 factors since 12 has more than 2 factors therefore that's why this 12 is a therefore 12 is a which number composite number 12 is a which number understood composite number 12 is which number understood now this since 12 has more than 2 factors therefore 12 is a composite number understood now in the same way we have to check this 16 now factors of 16 are factors of 16 are what are the factors of 16 now find that factors of 16 are find factors of 16 what are the factors of 16 look at in one table we are getting 16 1 into 16 16 2 table getting 16 2 8s are 16 okay 2 also 3 table getting 3 table not possible 3 table not getting 16 4 4s are 16 yes 4 right 4 5 table we are not getting 16 6 also not 7 also not 8 8 2s are 16 8 table getting 9 not 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 directly we are getting here 16 1 2 3 4 5 how many factors we are getting there 5 since same sentence since 16 has more than since 16 has more than 2 factors more than what how many factors more than 2 factors therefore 16 is a which number 16 is a composite number 16 is a composite number अगर 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर निकलते हैं तो वो कंपोजिट बनता है इसका मतलब समझ में आया सो नोट डाउन दिस वन लेटेस्ट प्रैक्टिस 5.2 okay first example what it is given find out the common factors of 25 and 35 total examples were given 6 a to m so only a I will explain remaining 5 example you have complete that will be the homework now factors of 25 are what are the factors of 25 so start from first table 1 table to 25 we have to go 1 into 25 in 2 table we are getting 25 look that check not possible I think because this is odd number 25 2 2 ones are 2 okay 0 now bring this 5 down now 2 2s are 4 now 5 minus 4 1 so we didn't got here remainder 0 so this 25 is not completely divisible by 2 so that's why this we can't write here 2 and when we have to write that if we are getting remainder 0 otherwise not 3 table getting 25 not 3 also not 4 also not but 5 after 4 which number 5 5 5 are 25 okay 5 we got and 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 not possible up to 20 not possible 21 22 23 24 25 directly we are getting here 25 ones are 25 1 into 25 25 5 into 5 25 25 ones are 25 so 1 5 and 25 these are the three factors of 25 in the same way we have to find the factors of what 35 factors of what which number next number 35 are fine 1 into 35 35 2's table we are not getting. Why? Because here odd number in one's place. So odd number is not completely divisible by that 2. Now 3's table, 3 also not getting. 4 not. 5. 5 sevens are 35, isn't it? 5 sevens are 35. 6 not 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 also. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, not 22, 30 also not possible. 31, 32, 33, 30 directly we are getting here 35. So here getting 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 7 and 35. So 25, how many factors we got? 3 factors. So that's why 25 is a composite number. In the same way here, factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7, 4. 7 and 35, total 4. So 35 also is a composite number. Now what we have to find? Find out the common factors. Now we have separately we have find it at first factors of 25 and 35. Now common mean what? Same. Common factors. Already I have written there in previous example. Meaning of common. Common means what? Same. Common factors of which two number? Common factors of 25 and 35 are. Commons means what? Same. Now underline. Here 1, here also 1. 1 become commons. Now here 5, here also 5. 5 also become common. Or otherwise if you want to circle, you can circle there. 25 here but here not present. 7 is here but here not. 35 is here but not. So only 1 and 5. Common factors of, therefore common factor of 25 and 35 are 1, 5. So in this way we have to find the answer. Understood? So remaining example, try to solve that one. So note down this. Now homework, textbook page number 296. Let us practice 5.2. B to F. B to F. Why I have written here B to F? Because A already I have completed before this. Now you have to B to F means total 5 example only. You have to try to solve that one. What you have to find there? Find out the common factors. Just we have completed that example 25 and 35. In the same way you have to find the factors of 89, 9 like that. Examples were given. So try to solve these 5 examples.